Should be another screw somewhere else. Hard to see. They're over there. Not sure how you get at that. Kind of hard to get at. There's two screws behind here. So let's break this. I'm gonna take a hammer to it. Break the hinges. There you go. This is already scrap. We'll make it into more scrap. Cut the wire. That exposes the two screws, which should release the LCD screen. So we have this LCD screen. And this should have some value for sure. These usually go 50 to 100 depending on how badly someone might want it. This has some value. And we have more cables, more wires. All good for the wire pile. That's what's happening here. We have this tray. If I was selling this a few years ago, this might have been somewhat valuable, but now it's just worth whatever the plastic might be. Then we have this. This is sometimes worth something. This little back door. Put it on the side. We'll look on eBay, see if it's still worth something. See, now this guy here is also pretty valuable. And then when you go down here, you have this fuser, and you have the power supply. So after that, that's pretty much all that's valuable. What I'm gonna do now is end the video. I'll process the other printers because watching another 2 hours of taking apart printers is long. Just the 30 minutes this one took is I find a little long, but just wanted to show you guys some of the important parts. The power supply, the fuser, the board, so we took out the hard drives, what to look at, some wires, lots of wires in these big printers. So I'm going to take apart all the other printers, make some nice little piles, and then tape what those piles of videotape how much weight and how much they're worth. Those piles I'm going to make of steel and wires and whatnot, and end the video that way. Hopefully you guys are willing to look at all of that. So I'll see you guys once I'm done scrapping the other videos and once I splice everything together and make one ginormous printer video.